Okay guys, this is your homework for tonight. It's lesson 6, module 6, pages S50 and S51, it's numbers 1 and 2. Guys, this is really easy stuff. Scatter plots it's basically just graphing. So it gives us the data and we just need to plug it in and then interpret it. So let's take a look. This is our lesson from Friday, where we introduced scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph of numerical data on two variables. What that means is you have two different variables. Here you have your price. Here you have your quality rating. We'll dig into that deeper in just a second. And that basically sums it up. We were introduced to scatter plots and how to graph that data. So looking at this, number 1, the table below shows the price and overall quality rating for 15 different brands of bike helmets. So basically what it's telling us is there's 15 different bike helmets, helmet A, helmet B, helmet C, and like helmet A was $35 and had a quality rating of 65. Helmet B was $20 and had a quality rating of 61. This is really cool stuff to know because in theory, as your price goes up, your quality rating should go up. You've probably heard you get what you pay for. So if you look at this, I mean, here you could get helmet 2 or helmet B and save $15, and it's only four points lower than helmet A. So just kind of put in perspective what you would use something like this for scatter plots. Okay, so our data is there. I need to go over here to actually construct the scatter plot. That's what it's asking us to do. Construct a scatter plot of price X and quality Y. Use the grid below. So it's just like a normal graph. You have your x-axis and your y-axis. And remember, x-man running, y-man climbing, or x to the left, y to the sky. Whatever you have to do to remember that this one down here is your x, this one is your y. And if you look here, it says price in dollars. And if you look right here, it says price in dollars. So when we look at 35, we're going to find 35, and then we're going to go up to the quality rating of 65. So the first one, 35, and I'm going to go up and find my quality rating of 65. And if you look, it goes 60 and 70. So I know 65 falls somewhere right in between. So like right there. So there's helmet A's point, or plot, since we're dealing with scatter plots. Sorry, it's getting blurry. There we go. So I did the first one. I'm going to do the second one as another example, and then you're going to do the other 13 on your own. So helmet B has a price of $20. So again, price, $20, and a quality rating of 61. So I'm going to go up. And I'm going to go like right there, 61-ish. And they don't expect you to be exact. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to put 61 way down here between 20 and 30. It needs to be between 60 and 70. So I did 2 for you. Again, I'm going to let you do the other 13 on your own. So you're using this data here on page S50, and you're putting it into the scatter plot. Okay, that's number 1. Once you have 15 points, you can move on to number 2. So pause the video, put all your points in, and then go to number 2. Number 2. Do you think that there is a statistical relationship between price and quality rating? If so, describe the nature of the relationship. So what it's asking here is actually the point that I pointed out at the beginning. It's asking, is there a relationship between the price you pay and the quality you get? So again, it's that old saying that you've probably heard of, you get what you paid for. It's asking, with this data that you just plotted, because you should have 15 points, do you see a relationship between price and quality? I'm not going to tell you the answer because I want you to plot these all on your own, and I want you to write a complete sentence, so capitalized letter and a period. If there was a relationship, we would basically see a quality rating that lined up and went like this, like a linear function or a linear equation, because as the price increases, our quality would increase. Okay, so look at your data and make that determination, and again, write a complete sentence or else you're not getting credit. Okay, that's it for tonight. Thanks.